The Calgary real estate market has shifted, or has it? Hey everyone, Mark Newstater with eXp Realty and the Atkinson team here with your May market recap. And yeah, it is a story of all the different segments, and that is what we're going to break down for you. So stay tuned to the end of this video, and we're going to give you a buyer tip and a seller tip for this current market. All right, first up, sales. They were down 17% year over year, but we're still 11% above long-term averages. New listings at 4,842, that's up 12% year over year. Total inventory was a huge story. You would think 6,740. Wow, that is a buyer's market. And that is just not the case. It is limited to row townhouses and apartment condos, and that's virtually double where we were last year at the same time. They gave us a month of supply with our new listings, our inventory, and our sales of 2.62, and that was up 138% year over year. Remember, last year was like extreme seller's market for row, apartments, detached, semi-detached. Now, when we break it down segment by segment, our detached homes did see a slight increase year over year to 769.4. Our months of supply, though, only at 2.2, and that would indicate more is on a seller's market side. But it really depends on the area of the city that you're in, the type of property, and when I say type, I mean, is it more established, older communities? So we're still seeing multiple offers in some of those communities. Months of supply at 2.2, as I mentioned, and that's double where we were last year. Similar story in semi-detached, a 3% year over year increase to 697.3. Months of supply just over 2 at 2.12, and that's double again where we were last year. Now, this is where things start to shift a little bit. Our row townhouse price up 2% year over year to 451,340. Months of supply 2.37, that's over, well, basically triple where we were last year, 195% above last year. A lot more inventory on the row townhouse market, and apartment condos finally did see a slight increase to 334.6. Months of supply, and this has been consistent over the last few months at around 3 months of supply, and that means we're more balanced with apartment condos, and you can see that increase year over year. And so if you're buying, here are the 2 tips for you. You've got more choice and a little more breathing room to negotiate, especially in the condo and row home market. If you're selling, pricing right is key. As I say every time we do these, homes that show well, priced well, staged well are still moving and fast in certain pockets of the city. So the bottom line is it's more balanced, and that is good news for everyone. So if you want more info, if you're thinking about making a move, let's do a coffee, let's do a Google Meet, and let's chat. Have a great day, everyone.